Yes, go talaga. So Rafi, I do want to ask you though, I mean, we've been talking about how big of a deal this is, because this is a brand new feat for Time Zone. You've been around for 28 years, and after 28 years, you decided, okay, we are going to have a brand ambassador. How did you come to that decision, and what made you then veer towards Miracle as your very first one?
Okay, for the longest time, for a few years now, we've been thinking, who could represent Time Zone. But it actually happened quite accidentally. We were together in the launch of Time Zone Verbosa earlier in the year. Then Myrtle was our parang special guest for that launch. And I learned about her story. When she was 14 years old, Myrtle, right? You were in Time Zone Iloilo. Younger pa, even younger ata. So oh wow. So she was seen there playing the Grammy game with her usual cosplay outfit. And ABS-CBN Talent Scout probably discovered her there, and that pretty much got to PBB and all that. And of course, since then, it's been one success after another for Myrtle. So I go, wow, what a great story. It fits so well. She loves games. She's in the gaming industry, a bit more of the video gaming industry that's online. But it was a perfect match. So we discussed it then as an idea lang. I go, Myrtle, maybe we should talk about this in the future for something bigger than launching one store. So now, we're here. So this is a genuine, authentic, parang natural, yes. This is our natural brand endorser for us. So for history, she was our first gold card member in Iloilo.
First ever?
First in Iloilo, gold card. So maraming allowances na save mo doon.
Medyo matagal siya sa Rocky. So every single weekend gusto talaga, I would visit Time Zone back then. And gusto ko na yung Iloilo team pa yung nagsabi na actually she was the first person na magkaroon ng printed gold card with her name on it sa Iloilo. And just to share, so Time Zone really has been a huge part of my life. Like, when I was prior to PBB, just after I auditioned for PBB, the next day they asked kung pwede minatingnan kung paano ako gumalaw. And sumakto lang, when I visited Iloilo, nagkakaroon ako ng Time Zone. Nag-drum mania ako sa Iloilo, and nakita nila ako doon. So that's how I actually got the opportunity to also eventually join PBB, become a big winner, and the rest is history. But I've always been so grateful. Sabi nga nila na you should never forget where you started from. And for me, it was really the Time Zone who really brought to life your passion for gaming. I don't think I would be here right now becoming a streamer of the year, gaming awards, content creator of the year, if not for Time Zone.
It was a gateway.
Yes, who really introduced me to my love for rhythm games, kasi introverted ako back then, so it was really the entire community while I was there Time Zone na nagpakilala sa akin na parang, hey, you should be fun, you should, break your shell and just show who you are. And I'm really grateful sa lahat ng mga nakilala kong friends because of Time Zone.
I absolutely love that. And hindi ko alam yun, na-discover ka pala sa Time Zone. So parang Time Zone brought you to the showbiz zone. So lahat ng mga aspiring kids dito, mag-cosplay kayo at lagi kayo magta-Time Zone kasi baka kayo na yung next na ma-discover, di ba? Ang galing doon. But that's beautiful, and I love again the authenticity of just how this all came about. It wasn't really pre-planned, although it wasn't the works. The fact that this came together so naturally, and you are the perfect spokesperson for it too. Do you want to add something, sir?
No, basically that's that. So we're very happy that, in a way, Myrtle's life, and Iloilo pa from all venues, who would have thought in Iloilo. So we're very happy that Myrtle's here with us now. She brings in for me the joy, that energy, that authenticity, genuineness of really being our Time Zone brand ambassador. And of course, she connects very well with the kids. I mean, my God, my CFO's daughter is right there, and she's been, my operations manager also for the daughter in Kainoma, and we had a photo shoot all night long. So talagang fan na fan. So she connects well with kids, with teens, with adults, with everybody, with families. So for me, it's perfect.
I think you represent a lot of different things for different people. For kids, they want to grow up to be like you. For adults like myself, I look at you and you bring out my inner child and you kind of remind us to be, you know, to always stay youthful, to enjoy these things. Because I was also telling some of my friends earlier that ang saya-saya pa rin mag-time zone at my age. Like, it's so fun, interactive. And another thing I want to add that you mentioned, you are an introvert too. The fact that it's a place that kids can go and enjoy on their own din. Kasi usually, di ba, pag hangouts, isipin mo, kailangan marami kayo with friends, barkada, family. But the fact that it's also a place that welcomes people that just want to game on their own, that might not be so social, it's a great place to expand your wings, di ba, Myrtle?
Yes, so actually, time zone talaga really brings out the fun and helps you guys also to really connect with new people as well. Kasi a lot of my circles and friends growing up, nakilala ko sila through time zone because we share the same passion for fun and games. And it's not just for kids, it's also for those who are kids at heart. And for everyone who genuinely just wants to have fun and create memories with their loved ones.
Okay, speaking of games, Eva, so obvious naman sa rapping na pag nagda-dance revolution kayo, or pag nag-dance revolution kayo, sorry, it's called something else now. Pump it up. There you go. If you pump it up with Myrtle, baka matalo kayo doon. But, Sir Rafi,
One chance.
Okay, but as the president, kailangan magpakita-kilasin kayo. What game do you think you would beat Myrtle at? Oh,
I know the answer.
Basketball string.
basketball and...
Magaling pa kayo basketball.
I'm so
See?
bad
That's
at it.
the free throw basketball, full size, ha?
Oo, yung one ball na na-execute ko kanina. Yun. Tsaka
Sa driving game kami, pinalo na ako eh. So, natalo ako na eh. So, sa
Ay, nanalo ka?
Yes.
You beat Sir Rafi?
Yes.
Sir Rafi.
Oh, no, I made her win so she would sign up as our Dragon Ball.
Ganun ba yun?
Ganun.
Yung play galawan ni Sir Rafi. Ikaw, Myrtle, what game do you think you are most confident at beating everybody here today? Sige nga.
Oh, I have to say, I really enjoy You Must Eat games. So,
Racing pa rin talaga.
yes, yung midnight.
Wangan.
Maximum
Yes, I'll try to challenge them. Try to natin pump it up. Pero I'm wearing heels, but I'll do my best.
No, that's gonna be the extra challenge for you. Kasi di ko cosplay ka na anytime you go to that zone, so kailangan ganyan pa rin.
handicap.
Yes, exactly. Give chance to others, man. So Rafi, I know that you said that you've been planning this for a while now, but in terms of timing, di ba? Kasi you've been around for almost 3 decades, right? Why now? Why get an ambassador now?
The industry is evolving, but you know, this time zone before, we were only 300, 400 square meter outlets or venues. Now we're opening like this one here in Manila Bay is 2,200 square meters. Trinoma's 2,500 square meters. Fairview Terraces is 2,700 square meters. So we brought in, aside from the usual arcade games, we brought in short lane bowling. Short lane bowling means people can play bowling without changing shoes. It's easier, it's not as long as the traditional bowling. We brought in bumper cars, Spring Zone from the US. We brought in a trampoline park in Feliz Mall. So we become a multi-attraction venue. So with that evolution comes the next step. We need someone like Myrtle to, I guess, connect to our audience and tell them what's happening in time zone, to make it very relatable to them. So that's what I feel Myrtle's role with us would be. Aside from the usual, let's say launching a store or a new game will be introduced by Myrtle possibly in the future, but it's really more that to get the word out that we evolve to a different concept now, multi-attraction, family entertainment centers.
And to get someone that truly understands the joys of playing these games. Pero grabe talaga yung expansion ng time zone ngayon. And I really appreciate that because alam naman natin, one of the struggles, let's say, of being in a city like Manila is that medyo limited yung mga activities natin. And the fact that you managed to bring so many of these things in indoor settings, even ngayon, kailangan may aircon, di ba? And
Comfortable.
yes! So kung dati, hanggang dance time crisis, karaoke booth lang tayo. Ngayon, the fact that you have bumper cars, isn't that crazy, guys? I think that deserves another big round of applause.
We have to put it there later.
Kasi kaya kung paano ako mag-drive actually on the road, which is I just bump everything. Okay, ganito gagawin natin. Does anybody have any more questions at gusto nilang isingit? Raise your hand, meron ba? We can actually get you the mic over there. Yes, sir. Please introduce yourself for everybody.
Hello, Ted Claudio from WhatsApp.ph. Question to for Myrtle. Like, meron ka bang game or games na gustong-gusto mo but very frustrated ka dahil hindi mo siya ma-beat?
Oh! Doon ka ito-challenge mamaya.
I will be honest, I will say I'm always challenged by the huge frame machine.
Ay!
Kasi,
know.
yes.
Hihirit sana kay Sir Rafi. Sir Rafi, baka naman pwede kami kumuha mamaya.
Kasi every time I visit Time Zone, lagi ko nakikita na they always change up kung ano yung mga nilalagay nilang mga prizes inside the crane machine. And there was one specifically na I tried to get before yung shopper na stuffed toy. So it was really challenging. So masasabi ko talaga crane machine would be the most challenging for me.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Very good question. Any other questions? Actually, I have a follow-up to that. What is the coolest prize you've ever received from Time Zone? Whether it be for the tickets or kahit sa claw machine?
There was a machine saying that gumagano'n Sir Rafi.
Price cube, that's right.
There was a point in time sa Time Zone Iloilo na lahat ng rows sa price cube naubos ko siya in one day.
What?
Wow.
Yes. It was crazy. As in sunod-sunod siya. When you're in the, I think when you're parang ka nag-zone out, tapos nakikita mo na yung sakto timing, everything nahulog ko siya. Tapos everyone who was there was so shocked.
Kaya nila tinanggal yun. Nalugi sila dahil sa yogurt. Ano ba yan? Ganun pala nangyari. Okay, anybody?
Actually, aim and focus eh. And
You were in the zone na.
Yes. Tapos ganun din, there's also yung game din sa Rafi, dun sa Formosa, we were aiming. Yung point and shoot din na game. Yung natalo kita sa Rafi.
Is that a pick-up game?
The one with the pick-on. I forgot the name. Pero yung natalo ko rin kasi
Basta
sa
na,
Rafi.
he survived, nakatrauma siya.
Yan, nagpatalo ako doon sa...
Oo, nagpatalo na.
Okay na kasi gracious, di ba? As the host
Oh,
of the store.
of course. We're gonna challenge you later to see kung talagang ano yan, ha? Sir
Nagpatalo
Rafi.
ulit ako.
Ano ba yan? Okay, we're gonna skim through the crowd one more time. Any other? Oh, yes, sir.
Hi, I'm French from Manilite. After that, first kay Rafi, magkakaroon ba si Virgil ng tour ng mga Time Zone stores all over the Philippines?
I don't think it's going to be a tour of all the venues, but some specific venues, especially those that we will be launching. For example, we have one of the big ones we have before the year ends is the relaunch and expansion of Glorieta 4. As part of the whole Glorieta complex development, as you know, Ayala spending over 3 billion for the whole Glorieta complex. So we're going to also be part of that in the cinema lobby. That's where it all started. You know, I was telling Myrtle earlier, without Glorieta 4, Glorieta 4 birthed all the time zones. So that's venue for us is very, very memorable.
Sino lumaki doon sa Glorieta Time Zone? Yun! Kapips, I'm sure we all crossed paths at one point ng bata tayo.
Batang
I'm
90s!
sure, di ba? 90s na pala, 2000s na kami yung Myrtle, di ba?
90s, 1990.
Glorieta 4, she will be there.
Oh my gosh. That's gonna be so meaningful. Can you give us a little bit more insight as to what we can look forward to there? Sorry,
So the size will grow by about 50%. We're gonna bring in bowling there as well. It's gonna have billiards, music zones, of course the 100+ arcade games, and a special machine which it's an attraction which Myrtle will be most likely launching for us. So you don't know that yet. But it's a game where I was going to put that.
Even Myrtle doesn't know.
Not yet.
Oh, that's
It's coming.
juicy.
Actually, it's coming end of the month. It might open somewhere else first, but Glorieta will also have that for sure.
Alam na, si Glorieta. Hey Myrtle, do you have a question as well?
Actually, ano din, will we also see you in the cards or meron ka tuloy magiging merchandise din na kasama si Myrtle dun sa Time Zone?
Myrtle,
That can happen, Myrtle.
I
Diba?
love that. That's a great suggestion. Actually,
Yeah.
sabi ko sa kanila, if there's any way that I could do a special card
Card
for
or
those who
prize
are
items
Postcard.
that people can win.
Postcard.
Yeah, Myrtle, that's good. That's good. Merchandise.
Oh.
Different costumes of Myrtle.
Yes.
Well, I can,
We'll see.
so we do have in mind a lot of content that was already put out. So some of them is definitely related to, of course, my love of games and music. So, we still talk about it then kasi it's still constant. But I'm very much excited to visit yung mga iba't ibang venues. And since the time zone, you guys can actually celebrate yung mga iba't ibang milestone yun. You can actually expect that a lot of my personal milestones, I will be celebrating it as well at time zone.
Makapagkasal doon na rin. Susunod namin mag-appreciate.
Nagawa na kami ng chapel. Nagawa na kami ng chapel.
But you know, for those who actually like their significant others sa time zone, you actually can do that. Kasi nakita ko in Singapore.
Happened in Singapore.
Someone took their prenup photos at time zone.
Oh, wow! We got some cases already where people met in
Sana
time
all.
zone. Prenup.
Gumawa ka nila ng singles event sa time zone.
Diba?
Invite na lang kita sa wedding mo doon. Thank you so much for that question. Anybody else? Ayun, yes.
Hi, first of all, congratulations on this very momentous event. Congratulations. So, what fun fact, other than the PBB thing that you got discovered there, is there any fun fact that we don't know about you? And how does time zone come into play with that?
So, another fun fact na hindi alam ng mga tao about my experience in time zone was that I think I was around 11 or 12 years old when nagkaroon ako ng gold card. And it was the biggest accomplishment ever back then. Kasi I remember na nung binigyan nila ako ng gold card for the first time, I was so happy to tap it around sa buong Iloilo venue ng time zone. And I was so very happy. And a lot of my close circle of friends, I actually met them through time zone. So yung mga cosplay circles ko, who were a part of DDR and now Pump It Up, it's just so memorable na nagkaroon ako ng isang circle and community of friends because of time zone. Hindi ko naman naiisip ko. Well, definitely.
Yeah,
There's more memories to come.
I feel like you can share them on your social media too as you sort of go along this time zone journey. Give us snippets or flashbacks from the past as well. I think that would really touch the hearts of a lot of people that grew up in time zone.
If I could only like showcase yung mga old kong videos, but I do have some. So some people who passed by and saw me play back then, they would post it on YouTube and pwede natin balikan.
Ooh, sounds very exciting. Thank you very much. Thank you. Okay, one last round. Okay, to move back because I have one more question for Myrtle and Sir Rafi. Okay lang po? My last question is, are you guys ready to play some games?
Yeah!
Of course,